Researchers uncover use of stimulants by Germanic warriors. During Roman era, discovery of small spoon-shaped tools on their belts. Numerous small spoon-shaped items, measuring between 1.5 to 2.7 inches, have been found at various battle sites in Scandinavia, Germany, and Poland. Frequently located near military gear, these tools were affixed to the warriors' belts, although they were not intended for fastening. The research, spearheaded by Professor Andrzej Kokowski and his team at Maria Curie Skłodowska University, has established that these artifacts served as precise dosing instruments for narcotic substances. The spoon-like tools likely aided warriors in ingesting powdered stimulants or drugs mixed with alcohol.